So today's task to figure out if we're going to use plexiglass for the broken glass. We actually tried to save some time by calling the glass repair shop, but they had the nerve to say $85 per replacement. So we're going to go ahead and compare prices, and I just want y'all to realize that they want to match me, and I think it's so cute, and I love you too, baby. So this is the plexiglass, which is just a big, thick sheet of plastic almost.
And it's pretty thick too.
Yeah, it's shatterproof.
It's 10 times stronger than glass too, so.
Yeah, then we could even possibly get this here, which is like $39, $44. Nah, never mind. It'll be smarter to get the bigger one.
Yeah, but the only thing about the big one, we have to go get the truck or get the trailer.
Right.
And then worry about it getting scratched too, so we had to make sure we got some cushion on there for sure. All right, so we about to start this glass repair right here. So to make it easy for y'all, we put all the tools that we're gonna be using down in the description below, so you can check that out. First thing I'm doing is taking my blade scraper and going along the edge of the window and taking out any old putty. I'm also scraping off any old paint that's on the glass that already on the window. And this is a real tedious job. And actually, this glass was a little brittle, so while scraping some of the paint off, some of them shattered, but no big deal because we did buy that large plexiglass sheet, so we definitely got enough glass to replace it. I definitely want to go around and scrape any loose paint that's on the frame itself. It's way easier to do it at this point right now than to be doing it later. Then I'm grabbing the Caulk oil-based paint. I like to use that because it's a real good adhesion. It sticks to a lot of things. Then after that, I did pop out some of the glass. Instead of just having a measurement, I just popped out the glass and used it as a template when I'm cutting out the replacements. It's way easier that way. I did have to make some like minor adjustments after I cut it, but the tool I'm using for that is the Milwaukee cutoff tool. I'm using a diamond blade, which actually cut through this plexiglass like butter. So it's real simple, but it is dusty, so you definitely need a mask. Or you can grab a scoring tool and just kind of keep scoring. It's like cutting it, but it takes more time. It's easier with the cutoff tool, but it is dirtier for sure. And after I make these cuts on this plexiglass right here, after I put them in place, I'm gonna be using some very heavy duty exterior window caulk because just the properties in it, UV protection, all that good stuff.